Hello class, my name is Graham Parkinson. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a Clot error on the Siemens Immulite 2000 XVI platform. At the conclusion of this training video, you will be able to effectively troubleshoot any Clot this platform encounters. At this point, we're going to imagine that you have a flag here that says a Clot error has been detected. First thing you'll do is abort all testing. You're going to log off the system. The analyzer will then back up any unsaved files. With this message, you just hit continue. And then we're going to go in and hit diagnostics. At this point, we're going to open up the screen door, pull the lever. So this would be the probe that you encounter the Clot on. So you're going to grab yourself a Kim wipe. You're going to gently lift up the arm and check for any Clot along the probe. Grab your Kim wipe, you're just going to slide it all the way down to remove any Clot material that might have been detected on the external probe. Next what we're going to do is home all of the motors in the system so they go back to their default ready setting. So you're going to go here and click Condensed Run Program. You will hit Home All Motors and then Run. This message here says initializing ramp tables. It will switch to homing all motors. Once the process is done, it will say program complete, and then we'll go on to the next step. So now message is switched to homing completed, so we know that our test system is back to its default ready setting, and everything is aligned. So now go back to load program, and we're going to select Clot Prime. We're going to run that program. So what Clot Prime does is it will take this sample probe, and it's going to purge anything from the internal, inside of the probe, the internal workings. It will also purge the transducer cavity of all fluid in case a Clot was in that reservoir. Once it's all purged, it will then signal me to allow me to refill it, and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so now the message is switched to filling transducer cavity with fluid. You'll let it run for about 30 seconds or so in an actual Clot situation, and then you go ahead and hit stop. Or actually press to end program. So press to end, give it about 30 seconds to refill up that reservoir, and then proceed on to the next step. So you go to load program, and then we're going to click on sample probe dispense angle, run. The message reads, before starting, make sure the sample probe is centered in the blind hole. Reconfigure if needed. So this sample probe needs to be aligned with the PVC tube that is inside of this bigger one. So we're going to press continue. The probe will raise. It's going to go through its calibration and align. Next message is to press button to observe sample probe dispense. Once you press this, it will dispense water out of the probe. So what you're looking for now is to see that water is ejected out of the probe and goes directly into the blind hole. If you're unable to see the water going into the blind hole, it could be that an internal Clot is obstructing the system. And in that case, you would need to repeat the previous steps and start over again. From what I'm seeing here, I have a steady full stream. It's going into the blind hole directly, so it passed. So you're going to press confirm that the probe angle passed, press to end program. This is the water pump. It has to purge everything that it had sucked down into it. Next message states that the probe dispense is passed. It's now saying program completed. So we're going to go ahead and exit and quit out of the diagnostics main menu. At this point, you can go ahead and close the cover on the analyzer. Now back to our home startup screen once you've turned on the computer for the day. We're going to hit run Immulite 2000. It's then going to initialize a software program, and once it has initialized, you're going to prime your system anywhere from 5 to 15 times depending on the severity of the clot. And then we're going to run one set of controls just to verify that nothing is going to interfere with patient testing. In this case, we're going to use our adrenocorticotropic hormone levels 1, 2, and 3. We chose this QC specifically because it has to pipette twice, so it's the most involved as far as the pipetting process goes. Assuming that your levels 1, 2, and 3 all pass within plus or minus 2 standard deviations, you can then resume patient testing. Thanks for watching.